Hi everyone. We from the How to Make group will show you how to make lanterns from twigs. Our members consist of 1. Alza Veneriana, 2. Cynthia Ramadani, 3. Zephania Priscilla.
The tools needed are candles, matches, and an ashtray. The materials we need are twigs, balloons, adhesive, clear pilox, and LED light.
Prepare tools and materials. First of all, take some twigs and cut it into small pieces. Second, inflate a medium-sized balloon. Then tie it. After that, take the twigs that have been cut into small pieces and abstractly arrange them between one branch and another using adhesive.
And then do this activity until the twigs form a circle and cover the surface of the balloon.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna show. I started losing interest. I started to zone now. You was fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. Really didn't think it gon' like this. Should've stayed my ass celibate. Should've never let you in my bed. Ask me what I wanted. Clearly don't be fucking. Ask me what I wanted. Clearly don't be fucking. Should've never let you in my bed. Ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your
6. After the twigs fill the surface of the balloon, deflate the balloon and let the lanterns that have been formed dry. 7. After the lanterns from the twigs dry, take a pilox clear and spray it on the lanterns. Then, you need to wait a few moments for the pilox to dry completely.
9. After that, place the prepared LED light into the lantern. 10. Finally, plug in the lamp cord with an outlet and the lantern is ready to use.
Why am I still here and waiting for us to happen? 'Cause you never wanted everything I loved about you. I probably imagined, 'cause we never had it. Funny, it's been so long, and still there's nothing that's changed. And it was never your fault. Wish there was something to blame.